Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel, and we have a really nice setup here. We got the NASDAQ showing us a classical Gartley pattern. We're just going to draw up these. We're going to just label it up and draw it so you can see the step-by-step process. This is real-time trading. Let me draw in. Yeah, let's label first. So label-wise, we've got the X up here, A, B, C, D. So they're your classic labels. Now, if we add in the actual ABCD pattern, this leg AB is equal to CD, effectively. AB equals CD. That's it. It's hard to believe, but that is it. That is all that we are looking for. Not many people use harmonics, and yeah, it looks a bit pie in the sky. Completely appreciate that because it does. It looks like, come on, can't be serious. How can that predict a turning point? Don't make me laugh. Absolutely get that, and I'm happy people are like that because it means they're not looking at it, and the more people that look at it, I think it would perhaps start to not work as much. So labeling up the pattern for completeness, that is the Gartley pattern. We are expecting lower prices. Let me just draw in for completeness all my bits and bobs. Okay, so we are expecting lower prices, just to reiterate that. Nice fat arrow. We're going down, so we're going to have a red. So expecting lower prices. Now, Fibonacci time. Where is D in relation to XA? Well, that's absolutely perfect. That's on the 78.6% level. 78.6%. Absolutely amazing. Now, let's just see what this ratio is here. What is D in relation to BC? Well, that's at a 161.8. It really does have everything, ladies and gents. 161.8%. This really is quite unbelievable. Now, where did B come in? B came in at the 50% here. So all still absolutely tolerable ratios. Bang in. Wow. What? I mean, the harmony in this chart is staggering. I mean, it gets me really excited being able to exist, and you know, this stuff is in front of your eye. That is a Gartley pattern, folks. That's a Gartley sell pattern. No context with the market cycle. That is a Gartley sell pattern, and you would expect price to come back and test here. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.